Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Oo nga pala, ulit sila ng mabalik panibagong video. At here's to like manghanutin tayo sa oh, kaganina, kagahapon. Tatlo. Like maghahunting tayo sa pagubatan. Tama naman. Baliw. Gubat sa pagubatan. Maghahunting tayo. Like, gagawin natin yung gear. Ipapatay yung game. Wala pa ako ideya sa game na to. Hindi ko rin pinatay sa script niya. And now, it's the time to play this game. Snows rest heavy on the woods of Timberhold. Sometimes lives in these woods. Not an animal, not a man. It feels like to wander too far. Today is Christmas Eve. An old man returns to the woods just as he has every year. Follows the old recipe on the one they call the not deer stew. Okay. Salamat sa pag-share na Romina. Begin. Let's begin, bro. Let's begin, brother. Well, yeah, guys. Kaagaling ko lang sa lagnat. Kasakit. Hold tab to show the recipe. Okay. Build your fire. Gather 6 logs from the forest. Stack and light them. Follow the recipe. Don't die. What the heck, bro? No, don't die. Okay. Don't die. Okay, parang kung napapanood nyo sa mga TikTok, sa mga TikTok videos na dumadaan sa inyo, like, yung mga nagkakarne, I mean, mga nagluluto sa forest, malapit sa ilog, napapanood nyo ba yun? Ito. Stairs. Ba't puro Ayan, ba't puro buto? Normal lang ba to dito? Oh, walang jump. Yun yun. Till now, guys, sinisip ko na ako pambihirang. We get this? No? Okay, gather the wood. Oh, mushroom. No, may ritual ba dito? Saan ba kukuha ng kahoy para panggatong sa kuha tayo ng kahoy, I think. Yeah, kahoy. Pero ba't puro buto? Gather 6 logs from the forest, stack and light. Saan ba kukuha, bro? Saan ba kukuha? Saan kukuha, ha? Siyempre, sa puno. Pero ba't? No? Okay. Oh, dapat ba kukuha tayo ng palakol? Ang clip naman nun, naka-range yung mas ng pabilog. Kaya nga, I think may ritual na nangyari. Okay. Okay, kahoy. Okay, here. Okay, dyan. Isa, okay, ito pala yung mga wood. Bro, ano yan? Anong maluluto mo dyan? Like, I think may ritual na nangyari dun, guys. Yeah, may ritual na nangyari dun. For sure. Can we light it up? Ayan. Yun to. Like, bro, that mas malaki pa yung kahoy na kinukuha mo dito eh. So, woods again. Wait lang. Ano pa may kahoy? I think yun na lahat. I think yun na nga lahat. Hindi mo natin pwede kunin to, hindi. Okay, light it up. Light them. Paano siya? Okay, lighter ba here? Okay, 6. Okay, 4 or 6. Okay, I think done. May kahoy ba dito? Like, for sure, matic meron yan. At parang feel ko 6-7. What the heck, bro? 6-7. Saan ba yung ibang kahoy? Then Galaxy, the heck, bro? Yup. It's 500 times. Okay, may isa pa dito sa likod. Mapalo nga. Well, thank you. Thank you sa pag-follow. Thank you. No name person. Ano mo kung ano name mo? Ano yun? Ito. Last one, bro. The last one. Last wood. I mean, logs. Oh! All goods! Nasindihan agad. Huh? E to form a snowball. What? Di ba ilalagay? Okay, tubig. Okay, naging tubig natin. Oy, thank you, no name person sa kits. Then, what's next? Okay, begins to melt. Okay. So, melt. Melt a snowball here sa pot. Okay. Ay, nagbabasketball, bro. Ay! Good! What? Melt the pot. Okay? Okay, last one. Uy, uy, uy! Uy! Very good. Let's be updated. Yes, it's a horror game, guys. Add vegetables and 3 whole potatoes. Okay. This. I mean, this one. Ay! Akala ko masusunog eh. It's a horror game, guys. It's a horror game. Okay. Potato, I guess. Two whole carrots. 1 onion, 3 potatoes. Okay, I guess lahat. Yeah, lahat inalagay natin here. But, ilong ni Olaf. Parang ilong ni Olaf. Putak din laki. Hindi kasha! Putak din naman ako. Goods. Last one. But not least, ito. Carrots. All goods. Okay, and wild mushroom gathered from the woods. I think pupuntahan ko yung mushroom na parang may niritualan. Like, it's kinda sus, bro. Saan yun? Saan banda yun? Okay. Hanapin ko muna. Isipon ako, guys. Pasensya na. I think nandito yung banda. Ba't ang daming buto? Ngayon dito nagda purge. Ayun! Okay, yun. Ito, here. Ito yun dito. Like, bro, may niritualan dito. Gopyo, panjita. Okay, sa likod lang natin yung mushroom na nakapaikot. Dahil tatalikod lang tayo. Tapos kuha. I guess, 3 lang yung kailangan natin. Okay, dun lang banda. Wala ka bang jump, bro? Naka. Komang, kengkoy. Okay, siguro mas better yung malaki. Yeah, mas better yung malaki eh. Let's go. Okay, last. Bro, di ka ba pwede magdala ng dalawa naman kamay mo? No, ayaw pa. Okay, last one. Nasaan yun? Okay, ito pala. Tignan ako. What the heck, bro? Santel mo, asul. Santel mong asul. Okay. Oh, I guess may niritualan doon. May niritualan doon, guys. For sure. Like, bro, it's Pennywise. Okay, update recipe. Toss into luminous herbs in the forest and they eat. They will fall. Not deer. Not deer. What do you mean? Ano yun? Okay. Yung wheat daw. Well, wait. Yeah, hello. Roxy Jane, 3, 4. Herbs. Okay. Add glowing herbs. Saan yung glowing herbs? Yung umiilaw na herbs, bro. Dito yun. Umikot lang ako. Nandito yun eh. Alam ko nandito yun. Wait lang. Glowing herbs. Like, bro, lumiliwanag na marijuana. Oh, may patay dito? Okay. Ito lang. Dito lang siya. Anong laro yan ah? The Nut Deer Stew. Okay. Wait. Oy! Wala ko, di pa papasok eh. Okay, tas last. I mean, last. Isa pa. Then, last. Okay, last. Ah. What the? Oh, may UFO! Hala. Okay, ha? Sit and wait the hunt? Okay. Sit. Okay, bro. Ano yan? Like, nakaupo ka lang, tapos sumado na naman ako. Okay. Okay, kinakabahan ako. Okay. Ano yung pupunta sa atin? Deer? Like, matic deer. Like, deer naman talaga eh. I think ko siya lalabas. Sa niritwalan. Ayun doon, banda. Need to stand up. Okay. I think, hintayin lang natin yung kung may makita tayo. Bro, dapat gumagala ka sa forest, hindi yung naghihintay ka eh. Kasi Pedro, tamad. Hinihintay malaglag yung bunga. Okay. Ano hihintay natin dito? Pasko? Next year pa ulit yun. Medyo kinakabahan ako guys ha. Medyo kinakabahan ako ha. Note if you turn too soon, repeat, it will return. It's not smart. Okay! Hindi pala tayo lilingon. Yeah. Okay lang, lakasan ko yung volume ko. I think yun yung tanging paraan. Okay. Hindi. Hintayin natin siya lumabas. Like mag-appear sa harap. No, bro, kinakabahan ako. What the heck? Okay, don't stop shooting until it falls. Not if it survives your shot, chase it. It will try to kill you. No, bro, kinakabahan ako. What the heck? If you turn too soon, repeat, it will return. It's not smart. What the heck? Uy! What the heck, bro? What the bumars sila? Uy! The forest is quiet in the woods, not deer takes to wander too far. Today, it was the old man remains. Okay. Try again. Okay. Okay, upo tayo ulit, bro. What the heck? Okay. Ay, hintayin natin siya. Let mag-appear sa likod natin. Bro, ang bilis niya naman. Ano yun? Ba't ang tangkad tas maitim? Not being racist, guys. May black deer din pala. Okay. If I return too soon, if you turn too soon, okay, babalik lang siya. Kinakabahan naman ako. Like, di ko kaya, like, nakatalikod ka sa huntingin mo, das ikaw yung hinahunting. Okay, wait. Hold, guys, hold. Sa likod ba manggagaling yun? Like, bro. Okay, sa likod siya manggagaling. Hello, Jelly. Okay, hintayin natin siya, I think. Then, nasa likod na. Wala. Ay, wala. Okay. I think, mas better kung taas ako yung mouse sensitivity ko. Ano yung tumutunog na yun? Like, wait lang. okay. Nag-marshal siya na, guys. Nag-marshal siya. Isa. Nag-marshal siya! Bro, nag-marshal siya. Oh, black deer! It's a black deer, guys. Oh! Pwede ba ko munang meet sa'yo? Like, look at you, bro. It's a demon. Bro, demonyo ka. Ang lala mo. Oh, kainin mo. Kumain ka. Mabuhay ka. Mabuhay ka, bro. Eat this. Eat your meat. Eat yourself. I think shoulder meat, only tender when stewed. Leave the rest for the forest. Okay. So, I think kakainin natin na. Just be updated. Listen for not the deer. When you hear the call, the stew is done. A new nut deer is born. Leave the forest immediately. Gagawin ko. Dito live? Okay. Nakalib na tayo. The old man returns with the stew. The family gathers. They eat, they sing, they dance. Well, yeah. Ganun sila guys, celebrate ng Christmas. Later, he tucks his grandchildren into a warm bed. As the smell of the Mothman cake drifts through the house, this tradition lasted for generations until the great nut deer massacred me. Oh! Totoo pala ito nangyari sa, I think, like, but that is a story for another time. Okay. Like, ang ganda lang. So yeah, para siyang, it happens in real life, I think. Ito ang buhay. Tagal na, 1985 daw. 1987, I don't know. Hindi mo kaya. Wala na rin game, wala na rin